Vidyalaya Sarang Devganay. As we all know, today is Food Festival under the G20 and this program is celebrated in our school. So first of all, and the theme of this celebration is millet. So actually millet is a small seeded grass or a group of cereal grains that belong to a family, and the family is commonly known as grass family. And millet is rich in millet is rich in calcium, iron, and it is as it contains low sugar. It is allowed for the diabetes patient to eat it, and we can replace this millet in the place of rice and wheat. The millet is a good source of fiber, mineral, and vitamin etc. So we celebrate in our school for food festival with more joy and pleasure, and I am very happy and excited with this program. So I also want to I would also want to thank our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for declaring this year as a millet year, and for this type of program.
Namita Tripathi, Vice Principal of JNB Sarang. So in this auspicious occasion, we are celebrating the food festival. The main focus is on the group of that is grain is millet. So millet is the collection of usually 10 varieties of cereals are there. They are very small bean-shaped structure, and in India they are called in different names like ragi, like bajra, like sorghum, like kondo. Different names are there in different areas, and the major issue is that we can replace this this millet in place of rice, in place of wheat, and in place of other main carbohydrate and sugar-rich food. Though it is the source of energy, but the calorie value is very less. So it is now advisable by the doctor that the diabetic patient and as well as the BP patient, they can take this millet in a large amount. So mainly this food is rich in all nutrients except vitamin, that is zinc, sulfur, iron, and more fiber content is there. So it will not allow to grow or to add more nutrient or more protein in the body. So mainly this millets now, it is in our country this year, it is the main focus of our Shri Narendra Modi ji, that this is food festival for this year is called as millet year. And mainly millet is not only add the nutrient for the body, it also helps to increase the antioxidant in our body, and it has also anti-cancer value increases in the body, and it mainly increases that is the anticoagulants. So coagulants means if it is coagulate, the blood cells, if it will clot or coagulate, then it causes the risk factor in case of BP patient for the, you can say, cardiac arrest. So it is also included as anticoagulants, and mainly for this different medicinal values are there. So this millet can be used in different form. We can take directly millet powder nowadays available to take the in the form of drink, hot drink or the cold drinks. Besides that also it is used in different form of food particles in our country. So thank you for it.